Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. This saves time and prevents data loss. Connect iPhone and Android with a USB-C to Lightning cable. Once connected, unlock both phones and follow on-screen pairing prompts. On iPhone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings Chats Move Chats. Start the export handshake so Android can receive data. You do this because a direct cable transfer preserves message timestamps, media, and attachments. Cloud methods often fail for iPhone backups. Once the devices are talking, you let the transfer tool run. Grant storage and contacts permissions on Android so messages and media can be written to local storage. Monitor progress bars. Larger chats with videos take longer. If you see prompts to scan a QR code, use the iPhone WhatsApp scanner. This pairs accounts and verifies your phone number. Make sure to stay connected to power and avoid background apps that might kill the transfer, because interrupted transfers require restarting from the beginning. When the transfer completes, install or open WhatsApp on your Android and verify the identical phone number. You will be offered to restore the transferred local backup. Tap Restore and wait. Once done, confirm essential chats and media are present. Indexing may continue in the background. If things go wrong, no restore or missing media, reboot both phones, use a different certified cable, and repeat the process. Make sure iPhone WhatsApp has the latest build, because app mismatches often block transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.